In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple photos to Snapchat Story. So in order for us to get this done, what I'm going to do is simply try to scroll down below, and then you have here my stories. Now I'm going to go ahead and click add to my story just like so, and then we're going to go ahead and select few photos in order for us to upload. But take note that in order for us to get this done, we have to do it manually and one by one. So you can't upload all at once. So say for example multiple select, that is not possible here on Android. So yep, what I'm going to do is just upload this one. I'm going to hit my story down below and click add snap once again, and then you're going to select the second photo. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to add some filters in here. There you go. And then click my story down below, and then click add snap once again, and basically repeat the same process till you have uploaded all of the stories or the pictures that you want to add to your stories. Videos is going to be the same. You are going to have to repeat it and do it one by one. So yep, that is the only way in order for you to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.